Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming accounts and repository access so you don't hit permission errors midstream. Open your Colab and save a copy in Drive to preserve the original. Once done, authorize Colab to access Drive, and when exporting to GitHub, provide your GitHub username plus a personal access token if required. You do this now so commits will attach to your account. Make sure repository name and branch are correct before continuing to avoid accidental pushes. You now perform the export. Choose File, then save a copy to GitHub to open the dialog. Fill in repository and branch so the notebook lands in the correct place. Enter a concise commit message describing what changed. Decide if you want to include outputs. Commit size can balloon with outputs, so keep them out for smaller commits. Once done, preview the file to confirm formatting and content. If everything looks right, click OK to push your commit to GitHub. You finish by verifying the notebook appears in your GitHub repository and that the commit message is correct. If the push fails, check token scopes and that the token has repo access, confirm branch protection rules aren't blocking the commit, and verify you push to the intended branch. Use the Colab error output and GitHub commit history to pinpoint the issue, then reauthorize or adjust settings and retry. This closes the loop and ensures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.